All right, so Friday Night Football tomorrow. I know there's some games tonight, so they'll be like normal and comfortable.
Yeah, it's going to be a little bit warm, but certainly comfortable for us. It's not like we'll need the heavy coats or anything.
But that's on the way.
That is on the way. You're going to want to bundle up. And for a few of us as early as Sunday, I mean, I think 40s is pretty chilly, and that we're seeing that Sunday morning. But the 30s Monday morning, Morgan, that is why I know it. That is why we have a WFA weather alert. Specifically for Monday morning, that's going to be the period that is going to be the coldest on the 14-day. The impact, coldest year of the season. Low temperatures in the 30s with wind chills in the 20s likely. What you need to do at this point is make sure to stay updated. Make sure to have WFAA Plus on your TV. That is our streaming platform. We keep that updated constantly. And be sure to locate those jackets, the sweaters. You want to make sure to bundle up. I did pull out the jacket a few times already this year, so I know exactly where mine is. But if you haven't, be sure to locate that, because by Monday morning, it's going to look like this. Wind chills will be in the 20s. So as you get the kids ready for school, you definitely need to make sure that they are layered up. 36 for the low in Dallas, 35 in Fort Worth, 36 for Denton, McKinney, 35 in Decatur. I do think a few locations, especially outside of the city and closer to the Red River, we will have very close to freezing temperatures with 33 degrees at Bowie. Now, normal this time of the year, the normal low is 48, so we will be well below that. The record for Monday morning is 26. That happened in 1950. I do not expect temperatures to drop that low. I do think that we will stay above freezing, but the wind chills could certainly be in the 20s. So that first front comes through. It's going to help bring in slightly drier air in place. And this happens Friday afternoon. This is not going to impact any Friday night football games because we're staying rain free. Look, any of the rain stays well to the east. With that second front, though, it comes in. It arrives sometime Saturday evening, and that's when the cooler, drier air starts to filter in. So that is going to hold off until Saturday night. That's when the initial cold temperatures will move in. Until then, the mornings will still be mild in the upper 60s and upper 50s and low 60s, with a high near 82 on Thursday, 81 on Friday, and 80 on Saturday. This is about 10 to 12 degrees warmer than what's considered normal for this time of the year. That first front doesn't do much to our temperature. It's the second front that drops our high from 80 to 58 degrees on Sunday. So we go from 11 degrees above normal to 11 degrees cooler than normal. We stay on that trend through Monday with a high of 56. That's 13 degrees cooler than normal. It is very short-lived for us because by Tuesday afternoon, the temperature, it climbs back to about 70 degrees and it goes up from there. Right now, though, don't worry about the cold just yet. Just prep for it. We do have clear skies, blue skies overhead, a temperature of 75 degrees right now. Our day planner shows us climbing to about 80 degrees by 82 degrees, the high temperature today. That happens between 3 and 4 this afternoon with the southwest wind at 10 to 20. Temperatures dropping into the mid 70s by 8, 71 degrees by midnight. 83 the high today in Denton, 80 in McKinney, 81 for Decatur. A lot of locations making it to the 80s today. Very few will stay in the 70s. I think most of North Texas makes it into the 80s. The record is 89, so we're nowhere close to record heat, but we are certainly well above what's considered normal. We won't see much change in our pollen count, still considered high for ragweed and for juniper. It's just that time of the year. We won't see a big change until we see our first freeze of the season, which generally we do see in November, but it won't be the case for us here on the 14-day. We just have that cold snap Sunday and Monday. After that, temperatures back to usual and into the upper 70s by the following Friday. We'll be back.